Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT R19 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and find system. Now let's tap on languages and input and tap on languages. And as you can see, this is the list of all previously added languages. We've got English and Spanish right now. So let's tap on add a language here. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose in this device. So basically all you have to do right now is to simply find your language and tap on it. So let me pick maybe this one. Okay, as you can see, it may be not available in some apps. We'll see. So as you can see, still we've got the English language as a main one. So in order to set this one, whatever language it is, we have to tap on it and hold it. And as you can see right now, we can swipe it. Let's move it to the very first position. And as you can see, unfortunately, it's still in English. So it means that those apps are not familiar with this language. No worries. We can pick another one. So let me pick, for example, German. Let's tap on it. And as you can see, sometimes you will be able to pick the region. So again, just tap on the one you'd like to set. And here we've got the German language. So as I just showed you, all we have to do is to simply tap on it and hold it and drag it to the very first position. And as you can see, actually immediately we've got the changes. So from now on, the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language, in my case German. So let me show it to you again. Let me switch to English and let's wait. And as you can see, from now on, the whole system will be in the English language. So actually, this is it. This is how to change the language. And of course, if you do not want to have that much languages here on this list, you can remove them just by tapping on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and tapping on remove. As you can see right now, we can mark the languages we would like to delete and tap on the trash bin icon. Tap on OK. And as you can see, we've got only English left. So actually, this is it. This is how to change system language in your CUBOT R19. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.